He is the most perfect living body of all the creatures in the universe, with strong muscles and tall body, and in order to continue the civilization of his higher intelligent race, as an engineer, he decided to create the miracle of life on this planet. So he did not hesitate to drink the black water prepared in the cup. Along with the drastic changes in his body, his genes began to break down, and then the engineer fell heavily on the ground, and his body was gradually corroded. Finally, the engineer's blood and flesh and water merged into one, covering the natural environment, and life on Earth was born. Many centuries later, humans have developed a high degree of civilization. In order to be able to find their creator race, some people spend a lot of money to build a huge spaceship. After many years of sleeping in the dormant realm, they finally found the creator's planet. But now it has changed dramatically, and the creator race that humans have been thinking about is dead. Until this time, the Bionic Man found that the only remaining engineer has been lying in the sleep capsule to continue life. So the people woke up the engineer, looking at each other's huge bodies. The first contact between human beings and the creator began. But although the old man who spent a lot of money to come to this planet couldn't wait to ask the engineer too many questions, such as why to create human beings and what caused the extinction of their planet. The result, unexpectedly, the old man let the Bionic Man ask the engineer another question. That is, how to obtain eternal life. After all, human beings are created by the creator, and eternal life can certainly be solved for the creator. But the engineer did not answer any questions, but only slowly lifted the body of the Bionic Man. This operation of the engineer makes everyone panic. Elizabeth quickly escaped. At this moment, she also knows that this abandoned planet is not the engineer's home planet at all, but their military experimental base. The purpose is to take a large number of chemical and biological weapons to the Earth, and then to wipe out all the life created there. For some reason, the ship crashed on this planet and the engineer fell asleep. However, now the engineer is awakened by humans, so he decides to continue to complete his mission. At this time, Elizabeth, in order to stop the engineer's plan, she told the other side's behavior to the captain. If they do not stop the engineer now, then the Earth is very likely to be destroyed by the other side. After listening to Elizabeth's words, the captain did not know why the engineer wanted to do so, but for the sake of the fate of all mankind, he had to give up his life with 2 members of his team, and then accelerated the spaceship towards the direction of the engineer. The engineer's spaceship was severely impacted by the Prometheus, and finally lost the energy system, slowly fell towards the ground.